Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English School. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and today's topic is bird with stem with color. So everyone must enjoy this class because it's very easy topic. First you will draw like this type of circle. Then draw this. Okay, after that you will join this and here you will give a curved line like this and you just mute this line, that means erase these lines. Okay, and give here this type of line, give the beak and the tail and give the fan or fin. After that you will give the legs. Though here mention and though here on your topic mention the with stem, you must give the stem. Give here the eyes, give some leaves like this. Okay, you can use the stem like this. Not like this. Okay, you must use the stem like this. You can give some leaves for life drawing. Now look, I have already colored a picture for you. Look this bird. I have used on the bird first light blue color, light green color, and then this type of line I have used here deep blue, and on the stem I have used brown, deep brown, and on the leaf I have used here light green and deep green also, and on the beak I have used here the orange color, and on the eye I have used the black color. Okay dear student, hope you will understand how I have drawn the bird easily. You must practice at your home, then you will do better. So dear student, no more today. Thank you.